was that?
We want to.
No question, just get out of here, Jack! Get out of here! Jack! I think it was Lopan!
Who?
Don't look, Jack! I already did! Don't!
I won't!
What? Lopan, come on!
I can't see!
It's okay, it's only temporary. Over here! Let's go.
Yeah. Ran straight through him, Wang.
I'm never gonna get Mao
How
Yang
the
back.
hell could I run straight through him?
You didn't, it only appeared that way.
Right.
Lords of Death, Jack.
Okay. I'm going home. Keep your money.
Hey, Wang Chi.
Looking for us? I know your name.
That's not good. Let's go! My truck! Forget it! Lords of Death controlled by the Wing Kong, Jack. Lords of Death just errand boys for the Wing Kong.
Great. Who wiped out all those yellow turbans up there, huh? I mean, those guys were winning.
邊個咁犀利，打得你哋咁傷啊？
雷雨同埋電。
He says it was the storms, the 3 storms.
3 guys did all that. Listen, what about that? Whatever it was, I ran straight through.
Fast! Lucky us, we made it.
All right, where's my truck? I'm out of here.
You don't want to go back there. Isn't your truck insured?
Of course it is. That's not the
Then
point.
Smart Man gets it later.
Smart man calls a cop.
Cops got better things to do than get killed.
Oh, yeah? So do I.